Okay, welcome back. I'm sorry about the interruption. Yeah, I'm not paying attention again and not seeing that my SD card is full and I do not edit. Just simply because I don't know how to. I would love to learn. And yeah. Anyways, I know it's very simple, right? But I don't know. I just don't want to edit. It's just, I make mistakes. I'm human, so if you all make mistakes, then it's okay because I'm the maker. I make mistakes. Okay, anyways, I would do advise that when you're using black like me, that you have to glue really, really, really nicely, or else you will have all these. It's the first time I'm using black, to be honest. And so I'm gonna place this foam there. And if you are from the Netherlands, then you can buy this in how you call it, action. So I'm just using my scissor to cut. I don't have a knife. And I always save this piece. I mean, if you are making paper flower maker and you would like, you can always use it for something else, something small. And if not ever, then just throw it away so you won't clutter. And then you just plop, place it inside. See? And then if you want, you can either put those gift wrapping paper here at the side, fill it up so you won't see the foam as much, or you can use dried moss, but I'm not sure if that's, why not actually. Yeah, and then you can, I'm just not sure which one yet. I think I'll do the pink. You can use a ribbon. Just cut a piece off here. This one is organza. Maybe it's a bit too small, but that's okay. Just gonna cut a piece off and tie it around here somewhere. Put it down so you can see. Just like that. Oh. Make sure it's even. Just make a ribbon. Or something else which you would like. Yeah? Make sure it's prettier than mine, obviously, but it's the idea. Might have to buy a bigger ribbon for this, like in red or something. I think I have red somewhere still for Christmas. I don't use a lot of ribbon, so it's not like I have them lying around. And there you go, my friends. I can see some imperfections here and there. I'm gonna place more glue here. And I'm also gonna paint. And I think if you're using black, I think glossy black would be much prettier than matte. much prettier. I'm using gloss and just, because then if you make a mistake you won't see it. And gloss has this kind of, you know, layer already, which makes it easier for us to wipe the glue off. But I think I can clean this with it's just my fingers too. So make sure you have wet wipes. There you go. Okay. Just making sure it's thingy there. And there you go. So this is for the box. I will offer this separately. And if you have the Amato bundle, then there will be a last video where I show how to arrange the flowers, and therefore I need to create a bigger space so you all can see everything. I don't have to struggle here. So I'm gonna end this video for the box. If you have purchased the box only, thank you very much for your order. Have fun, and as you know, that's a bit too much. Well, actually, it's also very cute. Well, if you want, you can do this too. If you totally screwed up like me, using the wrong paper, then there you go. You can always do this. It's a bit over the top, but it's actually pretty cute in a way. So you can do this. You can do just this without all the all this one, and because you cut it out, and you can do this, and you can also cut it 2 times, and you do one at the back and one at the front to stabilize it more. And if you do not want to do that, then use a ribbon to hold it together to make sure it stays in place, and also make sure the ribbon stays in place because it keeps moving. There you go. And then, well, you know, you can put fresh flowers in here if you want. You know, one that those dry flowers, or if you wish. And yeah, if not, then if you have the Amato bundle, then I will see you in the last video where you have finished all the flowers, made all the flowers and the box, and also decided which box you're gonna make. And again, what I said during the tutorial, you could make them smaller as well. You know, just half the size. You'll have a smaller one, which you can easily, then you have to make less flowers and use less paper, and then you can make more for in case you're making for a whole class. So just size it down for 50%. You'll end up, well, half of this. And then just cut off, I think, maybe make 3 to 4 flowers. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4, 3 would be enough. And then there you go. You have a cute little present for all the girls in the class. So there, again, thank you. I have used wrong paper. I am gonna fix this. I am gonna paint it, Mod Podge it, and make it more glossy. So I have still got work to do. So thank you again, and So again, if you have ordered, I will see you in the next tutorial. If you have the box, then yeah, if you have liked the item, not so much the tutorial, I know, I'm sorry, then please head back to my Etsy shop and yeah, leave a review. I really would appreciate that. And if you're not a member of the Maison Gregoria group yet, then I have provided a link with your order. You're more than welcome to join. You may share your creations there. For the monthly freebie, you can either add it to the monthly freebie album, which you can find in the album section, or you just post it and mention you're submitting it for the freebie. Yeah, if you like it, then I also have an Instagram. I have, though not Twitter. They used to have Tumblr, but I think that's enough. That's too much social media for me. So, there you go. Really terrible paper. Terrible, terrible paper. I'm the first to admit. And the first time I'm actually saying this during a tutorial. But it is what it is. But it's not a disaster. I will fix it. And I also know that, you know, when you place the flower in there, you won't see a thing. So, there you go. Yes. Up to the next tutorial. Goodbye. Have fun.